2022 Dodge Durango. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.